Bye.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brendaline, and in this video it's all about the Insta baby holiday frontal. Like, do you see the lace? Do you see the line of this lace? Like, okay, I don't know, but okay, my friend is here again, and this time I'm gonna take him out of his cage so you can see who's making all of the noise. But he's a little bit afraid because his cage is already open and he don't want to come out. So he's just acting tough but don't want to act up, like, period. Okay, so I have a 4x4 closure, a holiday closure, a deep wave 12 inches 3 times, and the closure was a free part. I don't like it if the closure and the frontal comes with like the parts. I don't like it. It's too bold and I don't like it. So let's start by the shipping. Well, she sent it to me, I don't know when, because I had a funeral and everything, so I couldn't immediately work on my unit or work on this video. So I think the shipping was the same like my clothes that I had in my video, my last video before, and it was 4 till 5 days of shipping. What I do like is, do you see the lace? Do you see the line of the lace? No ma'am, you don't see it. The only thing that you see is me adding the closure too soon when it wasn't even properly dry, so you will still had seen the white of the glue that I've used. And normally I have a fan, and the fan like blows cold air and it will cool and it will clear transparent. But today I forgot to put my fan here, and I don't know, I just placed the frontal, but it's for the closure. It is secured on my head, but still you can you will see in the video where the white was from the glue. I just added a little bit of powder. It's eyeshadow powder, the one from Morphe. I'll show also in the clip. You will see how I fixed that part. And I did use or add a little bit of edges. If I like it, what do you think? I like it. So the 12 inch was a little bit longer, of course, at the end of my neck. That's what I have cut off, and you will see that in the clips. So all of the 3 bundles in, I had this small piece of the track left. But for now it is very full. I like the fullness. It didn't have a weird smell. The density was very full. From a wig density, I think it was 180, maybe higher, I don't know, but it is super full. The closure is super full. It didn't have like thin areas like that. And I've noticed that the closure was very thin. This is the closure. It's very elastic, but the holiday lace is very softer. It's definitely not my color, but you won't see it as much as a normal brown or dark brown lace. I'm bullshitting about the holiday. I actually had a other lace to check it if it is real, but you couldn't see the difference, and my mom said you couldn't see the difference. So they sell holiday frontals on AliExpress. I'm not sure if they sell it or not on AliExpress, but for me, if they send hair to me and they want me to try it, and I always give my honest opinion about everything that I try. So where is the lace? Where is the end of the lace? Where? I don't know. Do you know? Me neither. No shedding. I do have to say that when I pre-plucked the closure, I had a little bit of shedding. When I washed it, I had a little bit of shedding. Wash it after I did the bleach knots, of course. Bitch, you can see your lace frontal. So you have to try a hot day lace. I don't know.
Bye.
Yeah, okay, I made a mistake, but make sure if you follow my steps that your glue is clear before you attach your frontal. Yeah, I'm still a pro, I'm just saying, but don't look like me in the video. guys. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Of course, give me a thumbs up and leave something in the comment section down below. I will leave all of the information in the information box down below in this video. Follow me on my Instagram, and of course, if you're new, be a subby. Be a subscriber right now. Press the button. So, and you will see me in the next one. Bye guys.